Okay, this is another bit of the Sure Start Firestarter block that I got from Menards. I worked it up with the tracker knife that I've got, had in my pocket, just a little fluffy bundle, because I've got this really crappy firesteel that I've had since the 90s. It's old, it's not very good. The original scraper on it really kind of sucked, so its performance wasn't good. I took a bit of a much better reciprocating saw blade, broke it off, tied it in, and I'm using the teeth on it because it throws a lot better fire. This thing is so hard that it's hard to scrape off much of anything, but if you use the teeth, it'll get to shooting some fire. Then on this, I just want to see if I can ignite the block. You can see it's throwing a lot better sparks, and there it goes. Nope. Had the edge. Hit several spots. It's trying. I think it might be a little bit much wax in here. We'll see if I can get it opened up a little more. That might help. But it almost got it. A little bit of magnesium on it would get it going. There it is. There it goes. All I did is work a little bundle into that, into the flame. Or worked a little bundle in the middle of it, hit it with a flame. It kind of flaked up enough when I did it out in the water out there, when I set it up like that, that I figured it might. That's alright. Okay, that's a nice thing to know. If you cut those in a quarter and you worked up the top, you could actually get that going pretty easy, and that'll burn for quite some time.